So as for my first impressions of the device, I really like the device. I really like that it's not all round, like the corners are not all rounded, like on most of the devices. For example, this is an S8 Plus, and you see the device, it's all rounded. This one is more bricky, and I always liked devices more bricky. And as for the feel while using it, I think that it does really fit really well in the hand. This is the Note 10 normal, not the Plus version, and for me it's already big. Actually, it's smaller than an S8 Plus. You can see here, it's smaller than an S8 Plus. But as for the screen, let me unlock them both. The screen is actually bigger. Let me go from this. The screen, it's a bit bigger. Yeah, we all know that the screen on the Note 10, it covers almost everything. Even though I'm not really a fan of notches, this one doesn't really have a notch, but has this hole punch for the camera. It's better than having a notch, but still, I would prefer a pop-up camera. As for the speaker, there is no speaker on the front. At least I don't see any speaker on the front. So I guess Samsung, it uses that technology, which is vibration through the display. I might be wrong, but I don't see any speaker in the front. Can you see anything? And as for the back, I really love this color. Just look at it. I love it. And of course, always with beautiful things, there's positives and negatives. And this is a fingerprint magnet. It gets a lot of fingerprints. Let me try to focus it. The camera has difficulties on focusing in this mirror. It's like a mirror, but it's a really cool color. I really like this color. But yeah, you will have to use a case with this device. Otherwise, if it falls down, then you might say bye-bye, because it's so fragile. I mean, it's not fragile. It feels really premium, but on the sides it's metal. It looks really premium, but front is glass and back is glass as well. So if it falls down, then rest in peace. I was really kinda surprised for the positive and also for the negative on the unboxing, because I was expecting to have a case, because nowadays most of manufacturers, they also deliver like a case, like a transparent case. I'm not really a fan of cases, but with this device I kind of have to use it. As for the feel on the hand, it feels really nice. It's not too big, not too small. Power button is on, now it's on this side compared to previously on the other side. No, previously it's on this side, and now it's on the opposite side. So yeah, I'll have to get used to that, but it's not a big problem so far. As for the upgrade from the S8 Plus to the Note 10, I'm really impressed by the design. I really like this bricky design, like I've said. As for the OS, well, it's the same. Both devices have Android 9.0. On the software, well, there's no really big update for me. One thing that I noticed on the unboxing is here at the top, the device, it's like scratched. And at the beginning I was like, wow, the device is new and it's already scratched. What will happen in the next few weeks, months? But then here at the top on the metal, there is a plastic. So this protection, this plastic, it's scratched, but not the metal. So, and at the bottom as well, it has this protection. I'm not gonna remove it for now, because like I've said, I'm gonna use a case with it. But good that Samsung did some protection here. On the screen, there is a film protection as well. You can't really see it. Maybe you can see it. Yeah, maybe you can see it. Wait, let me focus. Yeah, maybe you can see it. It doesn't cover the whole screen, but well, it's better than nothing. I'm gonna remove it as well, and I'm gonna use maybe a more premium protection. One thing that I was kind of surprised for the negative was that there's no headphone jack, and as well on the box there's no adapter for the headphone jack. I do still use a lot of headphones with cable. I use through Bluetooth, of course, but I use as well the good old days through cable, and there was no adapter from USB Type-C to headphone jack. I'll just have to not use those headphones, or I'll have to buy an adapter. But one thing that I was surprised for the positive, there was an adapter from USB Type-C to normal USB 2.0. So I guess that adapter is if you want to use a USB OTG to transfer your files from your phone to an external storage. So thumbs up for that, but thumbs down for the headphone jack, or at least the adapter for the headphone jack. But so far, first impressions are really good of the device, feels really premium, and of course the price is really premium as well. But I'm gonna miss my S8 Plus. I hope I'm gonna use this pen a lot, but in the next days I'm gonna play with the device and I'm gonna test it more and more. I'm gonna do a camera review, and then the phone itself. I'm gonna compare the S8 Plus with this Note 10 as well. Thank you guys for watching, till the next one.